It's your girl Levante, and I'm here repping for World Magazine Jamaica. Big up Switzerland, big up Portmore, the whole world, you see it. World Magazine Jamaica, you give them fever. Wild, wild, hot, wild fever. Big up yourself every time.
At INDECOM, we would see those cases where the gun had been previously recorded in a database, and then a police database or the lab database, and then is allegedly found in the hands of a gunman thereafter. Indeed, if the gun had not been recorded in any database and had been recovered, it could be put on someone thereafter without any record indicating it. So what we're seeing is the tip of the iceberg in our view. It is important for us to note, as Hamish did, those cases where we see unaccounted for firearms and imitation firearms in police custody. Because this lack of accountability or lack of record keeping for those firearms facilitate them being returned to a scene, and we'd also want to add, would also facilitate them getting in the hands of criminal gunmen. If a rogue officer, of which they are happily small in number, but who can do great damage, if a rogue officer was to take that firearm and give it to a gunman. When a firearm is recovered, there must be an immediate report to police control regarding the details of the firearm recovered, and that should be immediately entered in a database at police control and in the station records. Recovered guns should be taken to the forensic laboratory on the first available opportunity. Would recommend that these recovered firearms not be returned to the investigating officer. They should be kept at the forensic laboratory until needed for court or until destroyed. We're asking that the police, through their inspectorate, conduct regular random checks at JCF premises and inspect JCF records. Breach of policies, for example, policies for record keeping, should be treated as serious breaches of discipline. We should not look at the failure to keep a record as a minor problem. It is a major problem